Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're simply going to be installing the rear diffuser bumper skirts. So they're the ones that go like towards the back. So that's what we're going to be doing. Carbon fiber look to them. So I'll give you a quick picture here. And so yeah, they're super cheap. You know, sometimes you can find them for, you know, $7, $8. They go all the way up to $16. So it just depends. Sometimes they'll have sales on them. Sometimes they'll have a make an offer type of thing, and you can get a really great deal on this simple, easy modification that makes your car definitely look a little more different than you know, stock. So anyways guys, I finally will be getting into the groove of uploading more often, so I'll be able to, you know, upload a little more often than usual. So don't forget to hit that notification bell button and follow the channel. That way you guys don't miss future upload. They are rear bumper side skirts, and as you can see, they're not real carbon fiber, but you know, it's just kind of like an imitation type of thing, but it looks pretty good. I mean, as you can see there, you could see pretty close. It looks really good. From far away you really can't tell. And now I'll leave a link down below so you can get your very own as well, if you'd like something like this. So these are for the rear bumper, all that. And sorry for the dirty car, but I'm not going to be washing it because I mean it's going to rain probably in a bit. So this should look something like this. So this should look something like this in this car. It'll be something like this. So we're gonna go ahead and install this and see how it turns out. So what I would suggest before you do this, I would say like either make the holes or something. But my bumper already has holes, as you can see there. So I'm just gonna like fit this. So I'm just gonna fit this like this, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, as you can see, there they are fully installed, and I gotta say they look really nice. They look pretty great, I think. So let's go ahead and check out the other side. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's how they look. Very cool mod. Oops. Very cool mod for a very low price. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little cinematic view with it, and that's pretty much it for the install. It's not hard. I didn't want to show this part, the install, while I was installing this. I just went ahead and show the other one just a little bit. You can do it a lot more easier if you just pre-drill the holes. You know, with the drill, with the I think they sell them, and I'll link them down below. That's just the bits that you can drill and make holes. That would be a lot easier to achieve this. And another thing I want to tell you guys that would be easier, that would make it easier, is if you have adhesive tape. So if you get adhesive tape double-sided, what you can do is, you know, mock it up, and then once it's taped on there, you can actually screw it in, so it'll actually hold still for a lot longer. It'll just hold still on its own, and then you don't have to be fumbling with trying to keep it up next to the bumper and all that stuff. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do a cinematic view video of this, and then that's it for the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so that you don't miss a future video. You know, leave comments down below. I answer all the comments, and I try my best to do it. So like I said, don't forget to hit that bell button as well. It supports the channel, and then it gets you notified so that you don't miss any future uploads. So anyways, thank you all. Have a good one.